Guys, it's day 6 and today we are headed to Ross Island and North Bay Island. Beautiful weather. इतने बढ़िया मौसम को देखते हुए हमने सोचा कि क्यों ना मेन रोड तक जहाँ से टैक्सीज वगैरह यूजुअली मिलती हैं वहाँ तक वॉक करी जाए इंस्टेड ऑफ कॉलिंग द टैक्सी अप. उसका एक्स्ट्रा चार्ज भी लगता. सो व्हाई नॉट जस्ट वॉक अवे बिकॉज मॉर्निंग इतनी ब्रीज इतनी बढ़िया चल रही है, क्लाउड्स इतने सुंदर लग रहे हैं, देख ही सकते हैं आप लोग. एंड ओवरऑल बहुत बढ़िया वाइब थी, परफेक्ट. अराउंड 1 किलोमीटर 1.5 किलोमीटर और हमें यहाँ से आगे जाना था चल के. एंड देन वील रीच द मेन रोड जहाँ से टैक्सीज वगैरह हमें मिलेंगे आगे के लिए. इतने बढ़िया तरीके से इतने सुंदर प्रॉपर कटिंग के साथ ट्रीज़ प्लांटेड हैं. You know, these long trees giving shade to us of the stark sunlight जो अब तेज़ हो गई थी. And the road, it's so neat and clean. मतलब एक कंकड़ तक नहीं नज़र आ रहा था रोड पे गिरा हुआ, लीव अलोन प्लास्टिक और पेपर, एनी सॉर्ट ऑफ दैट स्टफ. बहुत क्लीन लग रहा था एंड बहुत काम. एज यू कैन क्लियरली हियर द बर्ड्स चर्पिंग एंड ऑल. Just looks so virtual, but yes, it was real. So we're finally off to Ross Island. Can you just look at the water? It's so clean. The sun's reflection is just shining on it and मतलब इतना साफ़ लग रहा है. एंड लाइक नॉट जस्ट इन वीडियो बट असलियत में भी बहुत साफ़ था एज़ कम्पेयर टू अदर प्लेसेस. एंड इट्स वेल मेंटेन्ड. इतना ब्लूइश, इतना बढ़िया कलर. सो आई विल कैच अप लेटर देन. गाइस, वी हैव रीच्ड द रॉस आइलैंड.
अब उधर नहीं जाना.
The Japanese bunker. The most interesting thing that you'll find in the Ross Island is this. That's a deer. Never try to feed them. You will end up paying hefty fine. So basically this was the Britishers' settlement while the prison was located just a kilometer, the cellular jail. And the Britishers lived here in peace, inflicting pain over the prisoners. All of these things were constructed by the prisoners itself, which were then put into the cellular jail. All these structures now reduced to ruins after the earthquake in the year 1941. But the remnants still remain, and that's what people come here to see. The wrath of time and of nature. Water distilling plant, as you just stare at the board. As you can see, used to clean up the water from the sea. The Japanese ruled this island for about 3 years and drove the British out. This whole was a settlement. A few of Japanese and a few of Britishers. Another deer. And they are afraid. The remains of the club. Broken, rusted. That's all it remains now. The settlement would sure have been very scarier. See. Strangely, the quietness surrounding this place, especially this area, is magnificent as well as spooky, both at the same time. A lot of places to visit, but I don't know, won't be able to go in each one of them because of time constraints. So yeah, you see that everything's broken. That's the church. See. It's closed. No use going there. Rest is good. You all can probably guess what this place is. Chill. This is the cemetery, whatever, of the Britishers, of the Japanese, or maybe the prisoners who died. I don't think so. They even bury them, the prisoners. So it is. It's totally raw, as it is. It was in those years. Have to take the ferry in just 10 minutes and it's about 1 kilometer away, so gotta run. The officer's quarter. From what angle do they look like officers' quarters? All gripped by the roots of the trees. 5 minutes to take the ferry. I may have to run now. Okay, see you later then. So that was the Ross Island. Must visit place if you ever come to Andaman and Nicobar, Andaman Islands. It's really good. Explains well about the history and how the Britishers ruled and then the Japanese took place after the World War. This land was acquired by the Navy, Indian Navy,